Hello dear students, today we are going to study chapter number 7. It's a beautiful day. So today we are going to study about adjectives, okay, to describe nouns. Adjective is a word that tells you more about a noun. We simply put an adjective to describe or modify a noun. We simply put an adjective is a word we use to describe a person, place or thing. For example, I am giving you some examples like they live in a beautiful house. Which type of house it is? It is beautiful house, okay? Then the house is described that it is very beautiful. So beautiful is adjective. She wore a pink dress. Which type of dress she is wearing? Pink dress. So pink is a adjective here. Then next, Rahul is a best cricketer. So here best is adjective because which type of cricketer he is? He is best cricketer. What type of cricketer he is? Best. So best cricketer, best. Best is a adjective here. I am explaining you in Hindi what is adjective, okay? अगर एक विशेषण, इसे विशेषण कहते हैं, ओके, विशेषता बताता है, किसी व्यक्ति, वस्तु या जगह की विशेषता बताता है, ओके. इट टेल्स यू मोर अबाउट अ नाउन, ओके. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी यूज एडजेक्टिव टू डिस्क्राइब नाउन. इट इज़ a beautiful day. Which type of day it is? It is beautiful day. These are pretty flowers. Pretty. कैसे flowers हैं? Pretty. So pretty. Dinosaurs were huge animals. Which type of animals they were? They were very huge. बहुत बड़े animals थे. तो its importance was it was very huge. He was a dinosaurs were very huge animals. Then exercise number A. Underline the adjectives. So here what we have to do is we have to underline the adjectives, okay. It's a beautiful day and the sun is shining. The sea is blue but the wind is quiet. You have to underline in the same way, okay. Blue but the wind is quiet, okay, quite strong also. And the big waves make a loud noise. Which type of noise? It makes a loud noise as they hit the sandy beach. Which type of beach? Sandy beach. Hard working fishermen. What type of fishermen were they? Hard working. Are out in their little boats. Which type of boats? Little boats. They are catching hundreds of delicious fish. Which type of fish? Delicious fish. For which people? Hungry people, okay, to eat. I love the spicy food. Which type of food? Spicy food. On special occasions. Which type of occasion he loves to eat? In the special occasions, okay. My mother is a great cook. Which type of cook? She is a great cook. So in this way you can see how in the sentence it indicates that which type of boat it was or which type of sea it was. So the thing which the noun which which tells more about the place, person or thing. It tells more about the person, place or the thing. It is called adjective. It tells more, it gives information, more information, okay. So here you can see exercise number B. Here I have written some numbers here, the matching numbers. Green grass, we all know. A difficult question. A sharp knife. Knife are sharp. Dark clouds. Fresh air. Air is fresh sometimes. A black and white film, okay. So in this way you have to put numbers or you can match it like this in these numbering, okay. Then there are some synonyms given here. Synonyms are word with similar meaning. You know that synonym is the same meaning of that word. Big is the same meaning is huge. Beautiful, same meaning is pretty. Jog means jogging or running, okay. big or huge, beautiful or pretty, they are the same meaning words. Okay, then C, match the synonyms in the same way how it is given here. These also I have you can match here. See, kind, kind means generous. Tidy, neat. Quiet, silent. Cold, cold means chill. Okay, chill. Then rich, wealthy. Beautiful, lovely. Difficult, hard. Silent, quiet, small, little. Okay, then kind, generous. In the same way you have to do it, okay, in your books. Then question number D, replace the adjectives with their synonyms from the box. Means you have to write the same meaning words. See, that is not a difficult same word is we can use is hard. Okay, same word difficult, the same meaning of difficult is hard. Hard question, from the help box we have to choose and write. Mala's mother is also very kind. Kind, same meaning of kind is generous. Okay, the dress was too expensive. Expensive or dear to me. Okay, her family is very rich or wealthy, we can write. They are the same meaning words. Okay, the garden is silent or quiet in the evening. The teacher's desk is always very neat or tidy. है ना, we say neat or tidy. So neat and tidy, the meaning is same of both the word. Then here antonyms. Antonyms means opposite words. It is given here also. Antonyms are words with opposite meaning. Means far, close, quiet, loud, early, late. Okay, then here you can see here there is an exercise for antonyms also. Underline the adjective in these sentence. Then complete the sentence with an antonyms of the word you have underlined. Means the word which is underlined, you have to, what you have to do is you have to write the antonyms of this word which is underlined. Cold, cold opposite word is hot. Maya has long hair. Which hair? Long hair. So what is the opposite of long here? Opposite of long is short. Okay, so here I'm underlining the word which whose opposite word you have to find out. Long, short. Mummy hangs the wet clothes in the sun until they are dry. So wet opposite word is dry. Aman jumped out of his soft bed onto the sea. Soft, hard. Okay, soft, hard. Then expensive, what is the opposite word of expensive? It is cheap. Mr. Pintu liked the expensive dress, but in the end she bought a cheap one. Okay, the old lady, you can see I have underlined here. The old lady enjoys spending the time with their young children. Old, young. Okay, so what is the opposite word of old? It is young. Expensive, cheap. Soft, hard. Wet, dry. Long, short. Cold, hot. These are the opposite words you can see. So dear students, you have to complete this much in your book, and you have to learn all the exercises. Daily you have to learn at least 2 to 3 pages from English grammar, or at least one chapter you have to learn. Okay, so keep learning and complete your books daily. Okay, thank you.